Hello everyone. Today for our grammar lesson, we are going to be learning about adjectives that compare. When you are comparing things, you add ER to adjectives that compare two things and add EST to compare more than two. For example, using this picture down here, we have John, Meg, and Abe. Meg is taller than John. You're comparing two people. If we're comparing Abe to the rest of them, Abe is the tallest goalie of all. We are going to practice this in your writing notebook using the adjectives small, smaller, smallest, and fast, faster, fastest. Another example that you can try is by comparing you to the rest of your family. I could say, I am taller than my sister. I could also say, my dad is the tallest person in my family. I use the word taller to compare two people and tallest to compare my dad to the rest of us. That's more than two. Now we're going to do this activity on page 187 together. Number 1, we have a very blank soccer team. We have a very small soccer team, we have a very smaller soccer team, or we have a very smallest soccer team. It is the word small. We have a very small soccer team. I'm going to circle the adjective small. Number 2, our team is the blank team in town. Now, we're comparing it to more than one. We're comparing to a bunch of other teams in the town. So we are going to use the word smallest. Our team is the smallest team in town. I'm going to circle the word smallest. Number 3, Brad's team is blank than Eva's team. We are only comparing two things, so we know we're going to use the ending ER. Brad's team is smaller than Eva's team. Smaller. Now let's try with the words fast, fastest, and faster. I am blank than Kyla. You're comparing two people, so what ending would you use? You're right, ER. I am faster than Kyla. Number 5, Rob is the blank runner in the game. We're comparing Rob to the rest of the players in the game. So you're comparing more than two. So which ending will you use? You're right, EST. Rob is the fastest runner in the game. Great job putting those adjectives to compare in the sentences. So just to review what we talked about is that when you're using adjectives to compare, you add ER when you're comparing two things, and you add EST to compare more than two. Great job, everybody!